What is up, YouTube? It's Matt with Boost MTB here again. We are on the way to Santiago Oaks. Big day. They just opened Chutes back up. We've had like months of rain down here in SoCal. It's my first year down here, so I'm told this is like out of the norm. But bad news is it's looking like it's gonna rain again, so I'm trying to beat that. Hopefully we'll be able to get a whole ride in today and check out the improvements made out on the trails. So hope you enjoy it. Already starting to dry up a little bit out here. Well, oh, tight turn. Woo! And don't really know where I'm going, but see where this takes us. Little G out up here. Oh. It's crazy how much difference this looks. A few months ago, out here after the fires, it's just a wasteland, just dirt and cactus. And a couple months later, a little bit of rain, we got these beautiful blooms going on. Whew. That's a cool little jump there. I'll turn around and take that. Whew. Here we go. A little loose down here. Man. That's not a good ride unless you crash once. You gotta push yourself a little bit. That one hurt a little bit. Whew. Some pretty sweet little drop-ins over here. I'll roll up, take a look first. Got a blind jump that. Sure, GoPro is in full effect right here, but that's like a 4.5 foot drop there. It's a lot bigger than it looks. And then you've got like the medium drop over here, and then you got a large one. So we'll go ahead and take this one. All right, back at the top of Chutes. Super loose, super loose. Eek.